Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Teacher Cedric. We're going to start with a new series called PSLE Problem Sums with some internet memes. We are going to cover all 12 types of problem sums in PSLE mathematics and with the help with some internet memes to help students gain awareness so that they can identify different kinds of problem sums in the exam and they will know the corresponding method and then the corresponding technique. So without further ado, let us jump straight into the first episode of this series, which is about problem sums of equal parts. But before that, make sure you stay until the end of this video to see how you can complete some practices to get prizes at our school. So let's get started. Now, PSLE problem sums on equal parts is a very commonly seen topic, and they can be found, for example, in these 5 questions over here, which are all PSLE past paper. But how does it actually look like? We have to start with an example, a quick and simple one, I promise. So, Cedric and Barry each have some apples. Now, 2/3 of Cedric's apples are equal to 3/5 of Barry's apples. Now, together they have a total of 57 apples. So how many apples does Cedric have? Let us analyze this problem. Well, even though we don't know the exact amount of Cedric and Barry's apples, we know their fraction. So how can we visualize this better? Well, we could draw out the model. So over here we can see that 2 parts or 2 units of Cedric's apple are equal to 3 units of Barry's apples. So here's what I can do. So 2 units, 3 units, and you can see that I intentionally draw so that they are equal in sizes. But does that complete the model? Well, no, this is only the part where they are equal. In total, Cedric would have 3 parts, 3 units, and Barry would have 5 units. So let me complete the model. So over here, have we solved the problem? Well, let's see. Together they have a total of 57 apples. So, is this 57 corresponding to these 8 units over here? Well, the answer is no, because these 8 units, they're all different sizes. So what can we do? Well, we can turn them, we can slice them into the same sizes so that we can compare. So focusing on the first part over here, I have 2 parts to the top, I have 3 parts to the bottom. How can I split them up into the same sizes? We can find the LCM of 2 and 3, which in this case is 6, meaning that I can split them up into 6 pieces. So here's what it's going to look like over here. Again, we can see that this part to this part, they are equal. Now, what about the remaining 3 parts over here? Well, we can't just forget about them. We also have to slice them up according to what we have done over here. So for the top one, into 3 parts, and then for the second one, each into 2 parts. So there we go. And now you can see that in total, we have how many units? We have 19 units. So 9 units to the top and then 10 units to the bottom. And these 19 units correspond to 57 apples. So we can find out 1 unit to be 3, meaning that 1 unit over here is 3. So can we figure out Cedric's apple? Well, that's very simple. Cedric has 9 units in total, and 1 unit equals 3, so 9 units is simply 3 times 9, 27. And that solves the problem. So this is the problem sums of equal parts. You can see that a fraction of something is equal to the fractions of something else. So how can we memorize this better? Well, look at this meme over here. So we have Spiderman A, we have Spiderman B, and from here we can see that they are the same. So if part of A and part of B, they are equal or they are the same, then to solve this kind of problem sums, we draw the model, unify the equal parts. So I have prepared a challenging question for you, which is from 2022, paper 1, question 15. And if you can complete these questions, make sure you put your answer in the comment sections before 13th of February, and then you'll be able to collect 2 Kangaroo Study reward cards from our school. So here's the address. And then with these cards, you can redeem for prizes at our school as well. And if you have any inquiries, you can also contact me with this number over here. So that's it gonna be for today. For the first episode, we learned about equal parts problem sums. If you want to learn more about our PSLE curriculum, make sure you join our study group for more information. That's it for today. I'm Teacher Cedric, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.